Anxiety is related to the stress response, which can be beneficial and useful. It makes you aware of danger, motivates you to stay organized and prepared, and helps you calculate risks. Still, when stress becomes persistent and recurrent, it may snowball into an anxiety disorder or other mental health conditions. Here are 7 natural strategies for anxiety management, but before going further into the video, please subscribe my channel. I am Kazim, 4th year med student, and really love to share knowledge related to health, neuroscience, nutrition, and a lot of other stuff. To make video and sound quality better, I need better camera and mic. This can only be possible if you support me by subscribing my channel, commenting in the comment section, and like this video, and consider subscribing my channel for more content as well. And let's jump right into the video. But first, what is anxiety? Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress. It's a feeling of fear or worry that results from a combination of factors that researchers believe may range from genetics to environment to brain chemistry. Common symptoms of anxiety may include increased heart rate, rapid breathing, restlessness, trouble concentrating. Anxiety may present differently for different people. While you may experience a butterfly feeling in your stomach, someone else may experience urges to poop, itching, panic attacks, cough, sweating, nightmares, painful thoughts. Persistent anxiety about different events that have or haven't happened may indicate an anxiety disorder or a related condition. Anxiety is a key factor in conditions like panic disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, OCD, which is obsessive compulsive disorder, separation anxiety, illness anxiety, phobias, and generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder. So the first strategy is staying active. A 2021 study found that people with physically active lifestyle have about 60% lower chance of developing anxiety symptoms. This percentage was compared to individuals in a general population of about 400,000 people followed over 21 years. Exercise often diverts your attention from thoughts that may increase your anxiety. Getting your heart rate up also generates changes in the brain chemistry, including in anti-anxiety brain messengers, neurotransmitters like serotonin, gamma-aminobutyric acid, which is GABA, brain-derived neurotropic factor, and endocannabinoids. According to American Psychological Association, regular exercise enhances concentration and willpower, which may improve certain anxiety symptoms. Stopping tobacco use. A 2020 review gathered evidence that smoking cigarettes and anxiety symptoms often coexist. Consistent findings showed that people with anxiety are more likely to use tobacco. Additionally, a 2023 study found that stopping smoking significantly improved anxiety symptoms. A 2020 study also suggests that nicotine and other chemicals in cigarette smoke alter pathways in the brain linked to anxiety and panic disorder symptoms. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends finding a substitute for cigarettes like gum. You can also take up habits that may distract you to create an environment that works for your smoke-free life. Additionally, you can make a plan with a support system that can provide everything from encouragement to distractions. Number third is limiting caffeine intake. Caffeine may cause or worsen anxiety disorder. A 2020 review of 10 studies reported that caffeine may increase both anxiety and panic attacks in people living with and without panic disorder. In some people, eliminating caffeine significantly improved symptoms. Caffeine-induced anxiety disorder involves caffeine interfering with daily functioning. A diagnosis requires that a person experiences anxiety symptoms related to caffeine consumption. A 2021 review indicated that caffeine increases alertness by blocking the brain chemical adenosine, which is what makes you feel tired, while at the same time triggering the release of adrenaline known as the fight or flight hormone. With all this being said, a moderate intake of caffeine is safe for most people. Number 4 is prioritizing getting a good night's rest. Even though a 2018 survey of 400,000 people showed that nearly a third of adults get less than 6 hours of sleep a night, the CDC recommends 7 or more hours every day. You can improve your sleep hygiene by sleeping when you are tired, avoiding television or reading in bed, limiting phone, tablet, or computer use in bed, getting up instead of tossing and turning in your bed, going to another room even if it's the bathroom if you cannot sleep, skipping caffeine, large meals, and nicotine before bedtime, keeping your room dark and at a comfortable temperature, writing down your thoughts before going to bed, going to sleep around the same time each day, meditating and practicing mindfulness. A central goal of meditation is gaining full awareness of the present moment, which includes identifying thoughts in a non-judgmental way. This can lead to a sense of calm and contentment by increasing your ability to mindfully tolerate all thoughts and feelings. Meditation relieves stress and anxiety. Mindfulness based cognitive therapy, a type of talk therapy that combines meditation and mindfulness strategies with cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) techniques, may help. A study reported in 2023 that an 8-week program of mindfulness based stress reduction meditation helped relieve anxiety symptoms as much as the frequently prescribed antidepressant Lexapro. Eating a balanced diet, low blood sugar levels, dehydration, or chemical in processed foods such as artificial flavoring, artificial coloring, and preservatives may affect your mood. A high sugar diet may also impact how you feel. If your anxiety worsens after eating, consider checking your eating habits. Staying hydrated, eliminating processed foods, and eating a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, and lean proteins may help with your symptoms. The last one, but not least, practicing deep breathing. Shallow fast breathing is common with anxiety. It may lead to fast heart rate, dizziness, or lightheadedness, or even a panic attack. Deep breathing exercises, the deliberate process of taking slow, even deep breaths, can help restore regular breathing patterns and reduce anxiety symptoms in the moment. I hope you love this video, so like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.